Have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes of the products we use every single day, those silent companions in our lives that rarely get a second thought? Take disposable diapers, for example. They're used by almost every parent across the globe, and yet, few of us stop to consider just how much engineering, chemistry, and industrial magic goes into making them. But here's a shocking truth. Disposable diapers are the third most common household item found in landfills. That's right, third. And considering that just one child can go through more than 6,000 diapers in the first 2 years of their life, it's not hard to see why. Behind every soft, crinkly diaper lies a complex process powered by cutting-edge technology and meticulous precision. Let's pull back the curtain and discover the remarkable high-speed journey of how modern disposable diapers are made, from raw materials to the perfectly folded product you grab off store shelves. The first step to making a diaper is gathering the core materials. While we often think of diapers as fabric-based, the heart of a diaper isn't actually fabric at all. It's a clever mix of wood, pulp, and cotton wool. This pulp is made by processing pine wood, similar to how paper is made. It's then blended with a measured quantity of cotton to create a soft, dry, and lightweight material. This special mix forms the plush, cushion-like interior that keeps babies dry and comfortable for hours. But this isn't just about softness. This material is engineered for absorbency and airflow. Once the cotton and pulp are combined, the real magic begins. This raw mixture is then passed into the first manufacturing stage, core mixing. Giant industrial mixers whip the pulp into a consistent sheet, which slowly unwinds into another chamber. For the first major enhancement, the addition of a hyper-absorbent polymer. This substance, typically in the form of tiny granules, is the key to giving diapers their incredible water-retaining abilities. The polymer is carefully sprinkled across the pulp sheet as it passes through, and alongside it, a light mist of water is sprayed. This serves two purposes: eliminating static electricity caused by the materials, rubbing together, and helping the polymer stick better to the fibers. The result is a uniformly treated absorbent core, ready for shaping. Next comes the forming of the pad, the section of the diaper that actually does most of the work. The treated material is sucked by vacuum into a rectangular chute, shaping it into one long, fluffy strip. This strip then moves through compression rollers, flattening it into a more solid form. A rotating guillotine-style blade slices this strip into perfectly sized individual diaper cores. But we're not done shaping just yet. These fluffy cores still need to be slimmed down to fit a baby's tiny body. So they're sent through debulking rollers that press them down to a size that's practical and wearable. Now, although this absorbent core is crucial, it's not enough on its own to prevent leaks. Enter the water-absorbing gel, the unsung hero of modern diapers. This gel is created using sodium polyacrylate, a super-absorbent polymer that can hold up to 300 times its weight in liquid. When exposed to moisture, it transforms into a thick, jelly-like substance that traps liquid inside and prevents it from touching the baby's skin. In lab demonstrations, the difference this makes is striking. A diaper without this gel takes significantly longer to absorb liquid, and when pressed with a paper towel, it leaks badly. By contrast, the gel-filled diaper absorbs liquid instantly and stays completely dry to the touch, even under pressure. It's this cutting-edge chemistry that keeps babies dry, avoids rashes, and makes parenting just a little bit easier. Back in the factory, this miracle gel is sandwiched between two sheets of pulp, forming the final core layer. Now it's time to add structure to this absorbent bundle. On one side, a plastic sheet is attached. This is the outer layer that prevents any remaining moisture from leaking out. Simultaneously, another machine prepares the inner lining, the part of the diaper that touches the baby's skin. This lining is made from soft, synthetic fibers, designed to wick away moisture and provide maximum comfort. The combination of these materials forms a barrier that's not only watertight, but also breathable and gentle. We now arrive at one of the most intricate parts of the process: layering. Imagine a giant, continuous sheet moving down a conveyor belt, being layered with precision. First, the base layer of plastic and fabric is laid down. Then the absorbent cores are precisely placed at intervals. Over this, another soft absorbent sheet is added, creating the inside surface of the diaper. Hot adhesives seal everything together into one cohesive strip. But there's more happening here than just layering. At the same time, other machines are attaching elastic bands to both the waist and leg openings of each diaper. These bands are what give diapers their snug fit, ensuring they don't slip or leak during use. Another machine attaches outer cuffs, those soft flaps on the edges of the diaper that help contain any potential messes. Yet another system installs adhesive strips and fastening tabs, making it easy for parents to secure the diaper. Finally, the fabric surrounding the leg areas is precisely die-cut into those familiar curved shapes that make diapers so easy to wear. This cutting is done with incredible accuracy, controlled entirely by computer systems that monitor the cuts in real time. Any diapers with imperfect cuts are instantly rejected and removed from the line. After all that, you might think the diaper is done, but there's still one more crucial step: packaging. This stage is more technical than it seems, primarily due to one issue: air. Diapers are soft and bulky, and air gets trapped inside them, taking up valuable space. So, after the diapers are folded by a robotic arm and counted into precise batches, they go through air compression rollers that squeeze out the extra air. Then, robotic arms arrange them into pre-made plastic bags, which are opened by a vacuum apparatus. The diapers slide into the bag, and a pump removes all remaining air. A hot rod then seals the bag shut, keeping the contents tightly packed until they reach store shelves. But it doesn't end there. These sealed packs are grouped into larger boxes for bulk shipping. Everything is logged, stacked, stored, and eventually loaded for delivery to distribution centers, supermarkets, and ultimately, from pine wood to polymer, from soft cotton to sealed plastic, each diaper undergoes dozens of steps, passes through multiple machines, and is tested at every stage to meet the high standards that parents demand and babies deserve. This entire process, which may seem routine, is actually part of a $71 billion a year industry that touches almost every household around the world. It's a testament to human innovation how we've taken a basic necessity and refined it into a marvel of science and engineering. Each diaper that gets neatly packed into a plastic bag isn't just a throwaway item, it's the result of decades of research, development, and manufacturing excellence. So, next time you pick up a pack of diapers, take a moment to appreciate the invisible complexity behind this everyday essential. There's an entire world of technology at play to keep babies dry, parents stress-free, and landfills just a little less full. If you enjoyed diving into the science and engineering of something as seemingly simple as a diaper, there's so much more to discover. Click on one of the 2 videos on your screen to explore more amazing manufacturing journeys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with someone who'd be surprised to learn what really goes into a diaper. We'll see you in the next one.